Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Noticing your Shopify logo looks different on mobile and desktop? Here's how to fix it and keep it consistent. First of all, log into your Shopify dashboard. Then go to Online Store, select Themes, and now click Customize. In the theme editor, navigate to Header. Check if there are separate logo upload options for desktop and mobile. If there are separate options, make sure you upload the same logo for both. Ensure the logo size is proportionate by tweaking the weight settings. Shopify lets you adjust it to match both views. And that's it. Now your Shopify header logo will stay the same across mobile and desktop. Try it out today. Thanks for watching.